All right, Keith Townsend from the CTOadvisor.com with a long overdue coffee chat. I haven't done a live Periscope in quite some time. I'm using the Mevo for this, so hopefully this turns out well. I can't see comments while I'm on the coffee chat, so if you want to interact with me, you can do so on Twitter at CTOadvisor at CTOadvisor on Twitter. So I'm coming off of the first day of, or the first annual, hopefully, Ravello Systems Blogger Day. If you guys are unaware, Oracle bought Ravello Systems, who is a provider of cloud services. They aggregate cloud services such as AWS, Google Compute, to allow you to easily move your applications from the enterprise as VMware VApps basically into a AWS or Google based cloud using their HVX hypervisor. Now they've obviously, as a part of Oracle, added the Oracle Cloud. And this isn't so much a conversation on Ravello Systems, which I've talked about a lot in the past, as much as it is a conversation about Oracle Cloud. So on the agenda, Tech Reckoning hosted about roughly about 30 bloggers to come into San Jose area and meet at Oracle's campuses to talk about what's happening with Ravello Systems. And on the agenda was two 45-minute sessions on Oracle Cloud itself. So if you're not aware, there's Ravello Systems, which is that defined service that us V experts and community has been using to do nested virtualization labs such as ESXi running in the AWS or Google Cloud, or taking our vSphere workloads and moving them directly to AWS and Google using native networking. Really interesting solution in itself. So we were, as bloggers, we're really excited to hear the story around what's changed in Ravello Systems. What surprised me was the messaging around Google Cloud. I'm sorry, around Oracle Cloud. Oracle Cloud has been a bit of the butt of jokes given their leadership and the wild claims that they're the third largest cloud, that they'll be much bigger than AWS and Azure and IBM shortly, that they are a proper cloud. I don't think anyone in the IT community, in the industry, believes that Oracle's cloud today is a competitive solution to a AWS and Azure, even an IBM software, which the guys at Oracle had some interesting thoughts about. But what I was surprised at is the investment that Oracle is making. So I had, like many people, I was a kind of aloof to what Oracle's cloud strategy was beyond Ravello. Even the $1 billion purchase of Ravello, I was kind of like, how does this fit into enterprise cloud? They started to talk about that story, but what I found interesting as the bloggers, who are highly technical people, started to really delve into uh, questions around the infrastructure. The VP of Cloud Infrastructure, Colin, I forget his last name, was there at the event talking about the Oracle Cloud, and I was surprised that he had legitimate answers to all of the design and criteria questions when we talked to cloud and what's needed for a cloud. He's very direct about where he believes Oracle shines and where there's more work. One of the areas that he believes Oracle shines is the not necessarily where they're at, but the philosophy of where they're going, which is a cloud built to support enterprise workloads. So as they are in your existing operating model. So a lot of the messaging that we've heard from AWS, from Google, has been to adapt your workloads for cloud, or that adapt your operations for cloud. Whereas the messaging from Oracle is that, you know what, there's value in your existing workloads. There's value in this cloud native adjective or approach to IT delivery. One isn't better than the other. Oracle's there to support both hybrid models. which led to an extensive conversation about how to do that, where the gaps are in that plan. But the differentiator for Oracle and Oracle Cloud is the ability to support your existing workloads and your existing workflows in a multi-tenant true cloud, not just colo or co-location of or co-hosting, but in a true multi-tenant pay-as-you-go type of cloud. Way too much to capture in a small coffee chat. It was two 45-minute sessions. I walked away with a ton of questions, a little bit more impressed with the work that that team of about 820 engineers has poured into the Oracle Cloud. I hope Oracle to would do a better job of messaging what they're trying to accomplish from a technical perspective and where they truly sit in the whole cloud ecosystem. But overall, I walked away very enlightened and impressed on the work that's if not accomplished, on the work at Oracle. That's it for this CTO coffee chat. I hope you enjoyed your cup of coffee because that was a long enough conversation for a cup of coffee. Talk to you guys next coffee chat.